here at Moats Auto Exchange in Ozark, Alabama. It's our 2009 4.0 liter V6 Ford Ranger XLT. Extremely clean, as you can see. It's got the bug guard on the front, chrome grille. It's a really good looking truck. It's got nice shiny chrome rims. Great tread left on the tires. There's chrome running boards. Also got the chrome mirrors. You can see here the original MSRP was $24,830. $24,830. It's got the chrome rails added to it. Dual chrome exhaust pipes. It's about like a new truck. It does have leather seats, 4 doors, easy access to the back. See in here, it's got the drink holders in the back, fold up seats. Everything in this truck is just exceptionally clean. Looks like it's never been ridden in back here. Still smells new. I got the glove box, plenty of room, original book with it. It's got an auxiliary import there. It's got your CD player. Cold AC and hot heat. Really nice console here. Plenty of space to store your CDs and things. Got your drink holders here. Got your little change holder. Go around the other side. Just really clean little truck. Also has the towing hitch on it. You can see that there, has the towing hitch. It's got 4 doors. Leather seats. There's this door. Show you one of the most amazing things about the truck. First, crank it up and let you hear it run. A good sounding truck. Just runs smooth. Just a gorgeous truck. Turn the radio down. Here's the kicker about this truck. It is a 2009. Only has, if I can let you see that, there we go, 13,714 miles. Only 13,000 miles on this 2009 truck. You have your cruise control on the steering wheel. You can adjust that. Hear it run. Just sounds great. Just a like new truck. You're going to have a hard time finding a nicer used truck. Only asking $17,995. If you have any questions about this 2009 Ford Ranger, call Robert Mitchell at 334-445-1460. 334-445-1460. You can also email me at autoxrobert@gmail.com. That's AUTOXROBERT @gmail.com. Thanks.